Okay, part 2. If I hold the auxiliary button down, open, close it again, goes into the configuration file. Then I can press it again, and it's changed sound fonts. Now it's the Corband sound font. And turn it on. Very different sounds. Do it again.
TFU Starkiller.
This sounds like the Starkiller sound. Let's try that.
TFU Starkiller.
Notice the LEDs are different. You can totally change that in just all of these. Let's try a different sound font.
TFU Starkiller. Surely you can do better.
That is a Ancient Saber. Let's try that. Sort of has a very dull hum. Let's hear the blasters. And that's just some examples.